My name is Lukasz Chodyła. I graduated with a master's degree in computer science from the West Pomeranian Institute of Technology in Poland. I work as a software engineer and researcher with corporate research teams. My work has mainly involved multimedia systems, digital signage systems, some aircraft-related systems. And before that, I also worked with universities on a series of papers about people with disabilities and their interaction with computer devices. And here at the conference, on the last conference, I was presenting the results of my team's work. And in short, it was all about remote process management and window mapping in Linux-based systems.
Okay. So also I would like to know that what was your opinion about attending an online conference rather than a physical one? So how did you felt about it?
It's above all, it's effective. Not only is it safer, but also it's more time and cost effective. Right, and it was very great, very lovely to see students on that conference, because 15 years ago or even 10 years ago, when I was a student myself, it was a struggle to get proper financing, to get the funds from universities to pay for accommodation and transportation, right? And now it can be all ruled out and it's eliminated. So yeah, it was great to see that. Yes.
So also I would like to know, like, which one do you prefer, a physical one or an online one? What would you suggest to your friends if you are asked to suggest your colleagues that whether an online conference is a good one or a physical one?
On one hand, physical conferences gives you the opportunity to have the side talk, sometimes to network more unofficially. But on the other hand, online conferences are a great opportunity to speak up, to also present your research. If you have no experience, or if you have little experience on that. I know a lot of very talented people who are hesitant to share their results due to different reasons. Yeah, the fact that you can pre-record your presentation before the online presentation, that's very helpful. And my video, my presentation was actually my third take, mostly due to the fact that I'm not English speaker. English isn't my first language. So yes, in my opinion, it's worth at least trying. And I know there are many things going on now in the world, but in that aspect, what a beautiful time to live in. Before the conference, I've got all the answers to my questions that I've asked via the email. So yes, I was very happy, and I want to thank you for all the work you put into organizing these events.